Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we're going to look at how to require a fresh token. And I think you can probably guess how to do it just based on what decorators we've used so far. But this is going to be a short video. We're just going to open up the item resource and we are going to add to the post method now a new decorator to say that it requires a fresh JWT. Now, the decorator that says JWT required means that this method here will only run if we have an access token provided, a valid access token provided. So that can be a fresh token or a non-fresh token. Either of those will work. But for the post, we're going to do at fresh JWT required. It's that simple. Needs a fresh JWT if the access token that comes through to this post method is not fresh. It's going to say, no, you need a fresh access token. And you've authenticated correctly, but you need a fresh token, not a non-fresh one. Of course, you have to go ahead and import this. So once again, we're going to split this into multiple lines, just to make this a little bit nicer. And like that. That's it, as imported, fresh JWT required, and we can use it in here. You can use this in any endpoint you want, of course. This is just an example, but now you won't be able to create new items unless you've just logged in. So that's it. Of course, in here you can still use the claims and all that. That's completely unaffected by whether a fresh JWT is required or not. So this just means that the flag in the JWT has to be fresh is true. And that subsequently means normally that this JWT was just created by logging in. Of course, as an aside, just to make things clear, here in the user.py, the token refresh resource, we created a new access token and set fresh to false. But if we set fresh to true, that means that all tokens this user would create, both by logging in and by refreshing, would be fresh. So it's up to us to determine what fresh means. But normally it's used in this way. When you've just logged in, that's a fresh token. When you're refreshing, that's not a fresh token. Hopefully that makes sense. Just wanted to show you how to require a fresh token, just in case you have an endpoint that you want to really make sure that's the right user. That's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.